Ocupado is occupied. Ocupado. Barato means affordable. Barato. Aktibo is active. Aktibo. Maalam means knowledgeable. Maalam. Nakahibalo, aware. Nakahibalo. Nagaduha-duha means doubtful. Nagaduha-duha. Ambisyoso is ambitious. Ambisyoso. Nagakaigo means suitable or appropriate. Nagakaigo or bagay. Nagakaigo, bagay. Masinadyahon means animated or lively. Masinadyahon. Maabi-abihon means inviting or welcoming. Maabi-abihon. Edukado is educated. Edukado. Arrogante is arrogant. Arrogante. Aslum is sour. Aslum. Azul is blue. Azul. Atrasado is late or delayed. Atrasado. Matinlo is clean. Matinlo. Bugos is whole or entire. Bugos. Baliskad is upside down or reversed. Baliskad. Naputos means wrapped. Naputos. Bantog means famous or well-known. Bantog. Barato, cheap or inexpensive. Barato. Basa is wet. Basa. Mabaskog means strong. Mabaskog. Mapisan is hardworking. Mapisan. Bago is new. Bago. Daan, old things. Daan. Nabalaka is worried. Nabalaka. Bungol is deaf. Bungol. Hayag or maathag, that means exposed or obvious. Hayag, maathag. Dumuluong means foreign. Dumuluong, it usually refers to a person. Dumuluong. Barado, clogged. Barado. Maskulado is muscular or brawny. Maskulado. Nabawi is recovered. Nabawi. Violente is violent. Violente. Verde is green. Verde. Bida is leading or starring. Bida. Importante is influential or important. Importante. Bilog is round or circular. Bilog. Experto is an expert. Experto. Linghod means young. Linghod. Dunot means rotten or spoiled. Dunot. Bugos is whole. Bugos. Bugos. Busog means full after eating. Busog. May buho with a hole or there is a hole. May buho. Binulan means monthly, every month. Binulan. Dako means big. Dako. Dalaga is a single female. Dalaga. Madasig means fast. Madasig. Experto is an expert or a specialist. Experto. Madamo means numerous or many. Madamo. Malapit is adjacent or nearby. Malapit. Dungganon is honorable or respectable. Dungganon. Dapat or nagakaigo means proper and appropriate. Dapat nagakaigo. Dalagko means big or large, and this is plural. Dalagko or dako if it's singular. Mapisan means hardworking. Mapisan. Manggaranon is wealthy or affluent. manggaranon. Dihado means at a disadvantage. Dihado. Delikado is dangerous. Delikado. Diretso means straight. Diretso. Decente means decent. Decente. Doble is double. Doble. Imol is poor or impoverished. Imol. Nadula, lost. Nadula. Edukado is educated. Edukado. Elegante is elegant. Elegante. Emotional is emotional. Emotional. Ingrande is grand or magnificent. Ingrande. Exclusivo is exclusive. Exclusivo. Malapad is spacious. Malapad. Especial is special. Especial. Estricto is strict. Estricto. Exacto is exact or right. Exacto.